I know that we've talked about severe weather, and if there was a tornado watch, you want to be careful because all the ingredients are there for a tornado. If there's a tornado warning, that means there's a tornado somewhere and you could seek shelter. You know the difference between a warning and a watch?
Yes.
But if you ever hear that there is a fire tornado, you better really get out of town. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I'm going to show you a fire tornado. Now these only happen if there's like a forest fire, a big forest fire. They won't happen around where you live. But sometimes when the whole mountain is on fire, you'll see a fire tornado. So I'm going to make one. Here we go. And if we turn the lights out, you see the flame. That looks like a regular flame, but when the wind starts pushing on it, that is a fire tornado. Now that's not severe, but it does happen in nature when there's a big forest fire and the winds, because fire needs three things: oxygen, fuel, and heat. Now when the air is added to it, you can see it swirl right up. And it's kind of green because I put in red because I put some special chemicals in there. And now to put this out, since a fire needs three things, it needs oxygen, heat, and fuel. The one thing I'm going to take away from this is oxygen. Here we go. I'm going to cover it with this very we can turn the lights back on. This very scientific instrument called a plunger. Watch what happens to it. I put it on here. It puts it out just like that because there's no air to it. Boom. And that is a fire tornado. Warning.